ओके दोस्तों, आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग नेक्स्ट चैप्टर स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं जो कि चैप्टर नंबर 3 है, इंडाइसेस एंड क्यूब रूट. ओके, लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर, इंडाइसेस एंड क्यूब रूट. दिस इज थर्ड चैप्टर फ्रॉम महाराष्ट्र स्टेट syllabus. Okay, first we'll see what is root, what is cube root, and how we can express a number in the form of power. ओके, ये बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट हम लोग इस वीडियो में सीखते हैं. कोई भी हम लोग प्रैक्टिस सेट नहीं लेते हैं. बिफोर टेकिंग प्रैक्टिस सेट, फर्स्ट वी हैव टू क्लियर द बेसिक फंडामेंटल ऑफ रिप्रेजेंटिंग ए नंबर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ रूट, स्क्वायर रूट, एंड in the form of nth power. Okay, let's begin. Let's say one number which is 7 number. Okay, when you say 7 number, it is repeating only one time. So when I say repeating one time, its power is going to be 1. This is called the power. This is going to be a power of a number. Okay, this is power. So can I say 7 to the power 1? So always represent the power with brackets. Okay, this bracket represent this, whatever the content it is there within this bracket it is going to be repeat one time. Okay, can I say 7 to the power 2? 7 का power अगर 2 है तो how many times it is going to be repeat? 2 times. How we can represent 7 into 7? So this is first time it is repeating, this is second time repeating, so it is going to be repeating 2 times. This is called the power. Okay, power in the sense how many times it is repeating. In the same way, can I say x to the power 3? So how we can represent x into x into x? Okay, this is how the power represent. Now हमारे पास कुछ फॉर्मूलेस हैं. अगर कोई भी नंबर्स मल्टीप्लाई होता है, स्पेशली इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन, जिसका पावर लेट्स से 2 and 3, देन दिस पावर इज गोइंग टू बी एडेड. लेट्स मूव फॉर एग्जांपल 7 into 2. ओके, अगर हम लोग 7 into 2 को 7 into the power 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं. ओके, तो इनका पावर क्या होगा? ये जो पावर है प्लस होगा, 2 plus 2. These powers are going to be plus. This is the power of first number, this is the power of second number. So the answer is going to be 7 to the power 4. इसको हम लोग इस तरह से भी लिख सकते हैं. Let's say 7 into 2. How we can represent 7 to the power 2? 7 into 7. This is going to be this number. Okay, and this number we are multiplying with again 7 to the power 2. Again we can say 7 into 7. This is representing the second number. Okay, this number is going to be repeat here. 7 into power 2 is going to be 7 into 7. This 7 to the power 2 is going to be 7 into 7. Now if you consider this complete number, how many times the 7 is going to be repeat? It is repeating 4 times. 1 2 3 4. Can I say 7 to the power 4? Because it is repeating 4 times. This is how we can bring to the conclusion that okay, both are same numbers. So in multiplication we have to add the powers. What is the power of this 7? If we don't write anything, then the power is going to be 1. Here also 1, here also 1, here also 1. So if you add all these power, so it is going to be 7 to the power 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. All these powers are getting added. So 1 plus 1 2 3 4. So it is going to be 7 to the power 4. That's how we can solve multiplication of two numbers. Those two numbers should be same. You cannot say 7 multiply with 8. No, if 7 is multiplying with 7 only, then only in this case we can add the power. I will take one more example. Let's say 7 into 8. So 7 का पावर यहाँ पे कितना है? 1 है. यहाँ पे कितना है? 1. Can I say 1 plus 1? No, because this number is something different, this number is something different. We cannot say 7 to the power 1 plus 1. if both numbers are same, then only we have to add the power. So in this case we have to say 7 into 8 only. It is going to be 56. Now 8 into 8. Can I say 8 into 8? Yes, both numbers are same. This number is same, this number is same. It is power 1, this is power 1. Then we can say 8 to the power 1 plus 1, because both numbers are same, so we have to add the powers. So it is going to be 8 to the power 2. This is how we can solve. Again, we will take one more example. Let's say x into x. So here the power of x is by default, if we don't mention any power, it is going to be 1. So our answer is the power is going to be added. So x to the power 1 plus 1, which is going to be x to the power 2. This is called x square. Okay. Now can we multiply x with y? No, because we cannot add the power. Even though we can multiply, we can say x into y. Both are power 1. But we cannot add the power of x inside the power of y. Now let's say x into x into y square. Just to understand better, we are going to create one scenario. What is the power of x? It is 1. Here it is 1. Here it is 1. Here it is 2. Now can we add the power of x? Yes, we can add these two multiplication by adding the power. Here it is also y, here it is also y. We can add the power, these two powers. So here we can say x 1 plus 1. This is multiplication, and this is y, and this is power we can add, because this is also y, this is also y. So we can say 1 plus 2. So our answer is going to be x to the power 2 and y to the power 2 plus 1. It is going to be 3. This is how you can add the powers. If both numbers are same, then only we can add the powers. This is one formula. Okay. In the next video, we are going to see the power in case of division. Here we consider only multiplications. In the next video, we are going to see what is the formula if the two numbers are getting divided.